Don't know how to use select by locations? Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through one of the most useful tools in ArcGIS Pro, the select by location tool. We're going to find all the major cities inside the state of Texas. I'm using two layers, USA major cities, USA census states, which shows up in my map as DTL_ST. First, let's look at the USA major cities layer. Right-click on it in the contents pane and choose Attribute Table. Here you can see each row represents one city. Take a look at the bottom of the table. You'll see this data set contains 4,186 records. Now let's look at the second layer, DTL_ST. Each row represents one state. At the bottom of this table, you'll notice it contains 51 records. So now we have 4,186 cities and 51 state polygons. Our job is to ask ArcGIS which of those 4,186 cities fall inside the boundary of Texas, and that's exactly what select by location will do for us. Step 1. We need to tell ArcGIS which state we care about. I'll go to the map tab at the top, and inside the selection group, I'll click the select tool. I'll choose rectangle, which is the simplest option. Now I'll move my cursor to the map and click directly on Texas. Notice that Texas now has a cyan outline. That means it's selected. Running select by location. Now click select layer by location. The input features is the layer we want to select from, so I'll choose USA major cities because we want to find cities. The relationship is the spatial rule. I'll choose within because we want cities completely inside the state. And the selecting features is the layer we test against. I'll choose DTL_ST. Since Texas is already selected in this layer, ArcGIS will only test against the Texas polygon. I'll leave selection type as new selection, then click apply and OK. Now that Texas is selected, I want to create a separate layer containing only Texas. This will make our next step much more accurate. To do this, I'll go to the contents pane on the left side and right-click on the DTL_ST layer. From the menu, I'll hover over selection and then click on Make Layer from selected features. And just like that, a new layer appears in the contents pane. This layer contains only the Texas polygon, nothing else. We'll use this new layer in the next step. Now I'll use the Select by Location tool again, but this time with our new Texas only layer. I'll open Select by Location and fill in the parameters carefully. For the input features, I'll choose USA major cities. For the relationship, I'll choose within. And for the selecting features, this time I'll choose the newly created layer, the one that contains only Texas. Once everything looks good, I'll click apply and then OK. And then, for the final step, I want to save these selected Texas cities as a permanent layer that I can use anytime in the future. To do this, I'll go to the contents pane and right-click on USA major cities. From the menu, I'll hover over data and then click on export features. And there you have it. This is the state of Texas, with all of its major cities now displayed as our newly created layer. In just a few simple steps, we use select by location to find every city inside Texas and save them as a permanent data set. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube for more GIS tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.